All right, everybody, welcome back to Bummer's Barbecue and Southern Cooking. Look at there, might be a little focus. Sorry, it's been in order picking something up. A sirloin roast, some beef broth, chicken gravy, cream of mushroom, some potatoes, some carrots, and the Instant Pot. We're gonna make us a country style beef stew tonight, folks. Let me start getting some of this ready. We'll go through real fast, getting it all chopped up, getting the Instant Pot, getting it cooked. Alright, let's get all this chopped up real quick. I'm going to try to dice it. I don't want the round parts. Get it spit up, folks. Ta-da! Meat's all cut up. Yes, folks, I had some problems with the meat. Yes, it is still frozen.
The best way to cook it.
Pretty much. That's why I got an Instant Pot. I cook it when it's frozen. Let me get some stuff ready and we'll be right back. Alright, let's get ready to get this meat braised up. Start getting this all ready. Down here, my pot, 6-quart Instant Pot. Saute. Turn it on. Oh, let me get the cord out from under it here so it's not all set. Turn it around so I can see where my full level's at. On.
Right, olive oil.
Olive oil in it. Where's my stuff from the other night? Give me 1 second, folks.
Look over.
Alright, to season it here before I put it in there, we'll probably throw a little bit more in. A little of my AP rub I have with some brown sugar in it.
And some paprika.
Better with pork, and some paprika. I ain't gonna mix it up too much, but I want that flavor in the bottom of the pan, especially with some sugar and stuff. We'll probably add a little bit more once this heats up. Get it mixed up. We'll start cooking. Alright, let's start braising this meat up. Might want to stand back from the camera a little bit. Oh, there we go. All at once. Over there. Hey, buddy.
That was good.
Oh yeah, it smells good. Put a little bit more of this on the top meat that didn't have a lot of seasoning. There we go. I just wing it, folks. I do what I can. Probably shouldn't have done as much meat at one time, but oh well. That's how we roll. Rolling, rolling, rolling.
They can see roll the punches, baby.
Hey, but it's July 3rd. Tomorrow I get to break out the new Weber grill Mama Kelly bought me.
I surprised
We're
him.
going to cook on it. She got me that nice Weber grill, the 22 with the pan on the bottom and the adjusters, and I might have to buy a new thermostat for it because I know everybody says the Weber one sucks. So we're going to use that tomorrow. We're not sure what we're cooking yet, but we're going to cook something.
It was cute bringing it home in my little peanut car too. Took the whole back of it up.
We're just going to let this braise a little bit because we're still going to cook it good. Alright folks, we're back. Got it about braised up as much as I want. I'm going to pour a little beef broth in here. Use it all yet. I'm going to pour a little bit. Oh, let me go and turn the saute off. Hold on, which side? There it is. Turn that off. We're going to pour I didn't show this earlier, we got a little Coca-Cola. A little Coca-Cola in there.
And Coke will tenderize any meat you have.
And I want to get rid of that, but let's put some of this cream of mushroom in here.
Got the family stock hand tonight.
Well, that's going to make it better than it was last time. Put that in there. I'm going to use that again in a minute. Put these taters in here. Got these carrots in here. Let's get this a little stirred up. Everything mixed up good. Ah, yeah. That's all we're gonna need that one for. All right. I don't know if this will work, but
Okay.
a little beef broth. One more Coke. Gotta try to clean your cans out. Much of that good stuff you can out your cans. Mama Kelly taught me that.
Gotta use it all up, baby.
About as much as I can use right now, Mama. Oh, look at her. That was good. Alright. Got that done. Hold on. Hold on. Boom!
Woohoo!
One shot tonight, folks. Let's see. We're going to do manual. Oh, this is still frozen pretty much, so
45, 50.
we'll do. I'm gonna go Bob Mama. We're gonna do 55.
Okay.
Want it good and tender. We're gonna let this go. Let it heat up. We'll see you folks when it's done. Out of sight, out of mind, folks.
We forgot it.
I forgot the gravy. So did Mama Kelly until I shut her up.
But she was not hot enough to kill us, so we opened it back up.
Just trust me, this is only like 10 seconds later. So I'm just gonna pour this on the top of it. I'm now gonna mix it up. Should have put that in first, but oh well, I'm gonna mix it up a little bit. It's home cooking, guys.
Nothing
I don't play or
do perfect.
say I'm a professional. I try to cook, feed my family, hope it tastes good. Most of the time, well, pretty much every time I cook, it tastes pretty good. So, well, Mama Kelly's too. She gives me food poisoning once in a while.
Yeah, that's how it works.
And even the guy that commented on my burger thing the other day, yeah, like I said, yeah. It was spoiled. We got salmonella and we all died. No, we're still here, guys. So, hold on. We're going to put this back on. Let's see if I can do it one shot again. Hold on. There we go.
Ooh.
Manual, still on 55. We're going to go, folks. See you in a little while. Alright, guys. She's done cooking. It's been natural release for 17 minutes. Let's see what we got left.
Ooh, look at there.
Nothing. Let me get a spoon here real quick.
I get your plate.
Oh. Oh, that's a stew looking thing. Put that over here. Oh, my goodness.
You don't slosh it on you. Burn yourself.
Oh, my goodness, folks. Look at that. Let's plate this up and see how this is. I'll see you in a few. Alright, folks. End of the night. Dinner's ready. Miss Ellie's is cut up. She got some rice. Mama's got rice and
All that gravy.
all that gravy on it. We're gonna eat dinner and we will see you next time.